Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. As you can see, we are so excited, happy to do some baking. So let's get to it. Just came out of the oven. I love oatmeal. I always make oatmeal almost every morning. Love some oatmeal. That's the way to get that fiber. So I made these cookies before and I just love them. That's another way of using oatmeal. So there is no flour, no sugar as far as added sugar. The sugar comes from the dates, from the raisins, and I added some peanuts and walnuts. And for peanuts, I actually roasted them a bit, so this makes it smell good. Have you ever eaten the oatmeal that smells good? I mean the oatmeal cookies that smell good, that taste good too? You gotta try this. I topped it up with a bit of chocolate there. Just some of them, not all of them. So let's get to what. Here is a list of all the ingredients. I got dates, peanuts, walnuts, 2 eggs there, a bit of sour cream I'm going to use, oatmeal, I just love using this vegetable chopper. Vegetable chopper. I use it for a lot of things. The onions, you can see I was cutting the walnuts with it. But here I just cut up the dates to make sure that I just have them in small pieces. Here you see again, I'm going to grind the peanuts and that taste after grinding the peanuts. The smell. Got 2 eggs there, beat them up. And here I have a bit of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. I soaked the raisins with it. And then added a cup of oatmeal. Just make sure you stir it very well together. I had also soaked some dates with a bit of eggs. It's up to you. You can mix everything together any way you want. Here I was just making it easy. You know, as for raisins, it's good to soak them in the milk, and there I used the buttermilk. So that's what I did. Everything is all mixed up, and don't forget to put the baking powder too. So I am now using a little shaper here so I can have all my cookies at the same size. After that, I kind of like, pat them in on the top. And I'm baking here at 375 for 25 minutes. And boy, it is coming out real good. Excellent dough. Real soft. I love these. I'm telling you. I do love oatmeal, so this is really my to-go cookies. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and share.